Hello all dear friends, welcome to the Binary Wins channel. I'm with you with another series of trading videos using candlestick psychology tips and candlestick patterns. We are going to do a few trades in the PocketOption broker and review the tips and patterns together. So stay with me until the end of the video. Okay, we set the candlestick time to 1 minute and the trading time is also floating at 1 minute. We want to trade in the live account. First of all, we need to look for a healthy and normal chart for trading. Today we only have the OTC market. Wherever you see the chart is full of shadowed candles, spinning tops, doji, hammer, and inverted hammer. Know that you are in a bad market and it is better not to trade on that chart. Let's look again. Euro JPY. If you look, we have a downtrend here. I don't see a level on the left side of the price path. But we have a round number here. We have a round number level here. Why did I enter the lower trade? First point, we have a downtrend. So we are trying to trade in the direction of the trend. Next point, the red candle has broken through our round number level with force. Next to it, as you can see, a green candle is covered between the red candles. The green candle is covered between the two red candles. So we have a kind of chair pattern here. So I entered the lower trade. Why did I enter the lower trade again? Again, notice that we are in a downtrend. A hammer candle has formed in the middle of the downtrend, which could cause the trend to continue. The shadow of the candle is large. So that means in here, if my pen works, okay, we have sellers here. Buyers are down here. It's okay. The last moment the candle turned green. We'll cover this trade on the next position, a hammer candle in the middle of the trend. That's why I entered the lower trade. I entered two lower trades. Why? If you look, We have a chair pattern here, and behind the pattern we have a momentum trend. Our main trend is also down. The third candle in the pattern is a power candle. If I can write it, we have a power candle. Okay? We have a chair pattern. That's why I entered 2 lower trades to compensate for the previous position. Okay, let's wait. Let me explain again. Here, we have a chair pattern. Behind the pattern, the trend is down. And the red candles and the third candle of the pattern is a power candle. Okay, let's go look at another chart. I entered a lower trade. Notice that we have a downtrend. So we are entering the trade in the direction of the trend. Next to that, a spinning top candlestick has formed in the middle of the trend for me. So there is a possibility of a continuation of the downtrend. I also see a gap to the next level. That is to the round number level. So I entered the lower trade. Great. There is still a possibility of a continuation of the downtrend. I draw trend lines and levels that are in the price path. I entered the higher trade. If you look, the red candlestick has received rejection from my level, right? I have an uptrend. First the level is broken, then the pullback to the level, and then I entered the higher trade by finding the pullback. So the green candlestick is more likely to form. It's okay. We will compensate on the next position. If you look, we have a downtrend. A healthy downtrend. Why did I enter 2 lower trades? First, our trend is a downtrend, right? Next to that, if you look here, we have a WRB pattern. The first candle is green, the second is green, the third will probably be red. We entered the trade in the direction of the trend using the WRB pattern. Great. I'm waiting for the next candle to form. Since we had an uptrend that made a lower low for us again. Okay? It's possible that the breakout of the level is a fake breakout, but we'll wait to make sure. I entered the lower trade for what reason? As I said, we probably have a fake breakout. If you look, we have a range and a level here. After the red candle, another weak green candle was made for me. Right? And it got rejected by my level. So there's a possibility of a red candle forming. Great. We can also see a WRB pattern here, right? Red, green, red. If you look, we have a strong momentum trend here, right? Which has broken through our round number level. a candle with a big shadow, a hammer candle in the momentum trend, and in line with the trend. So there is a possibility of a continuation of the downtrend. And the formation of a red candle. So the buyers are here and we have the sellers here and here. There is a possibility of a continuation of the downtrend. So that's why I entered the lower trade. Okay? Very good. Thank you very much, and I appreciate you for accompanying me. Don't forget that the psychology of candles, that is, the science of analyzing the behavior of candles and learning it, requires a lot of training and practice. You need to spend time, practice, and trade. To practice, you should also look at different charts in the demo account and try to analyze the behavior of candles based on the tips I taught in the videos and record your predictions. If you liked the video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and send the video link to your friends. To register for PocketOption, you can use the links below the video and receive a 50 to 100% bonus to start practicing and trading. My friends, don't limit yourself. Many people limit themselves to what they think they can do. You can go as far as your mind lets you. What you believe, remember, you can achieve. Take care of yourself. Until the next video, bye.